Sanibonani, sibuyile futhi ngenye ivideo. Sisaku-grade 12 Life Sciences with uLo. Siqedile i-DNA, the code of life. Sesingenela kwi-chapter yethu yesibili manje meiosis. Ne? So this is an introduction. Ukuthi-ke okay, yini i-meiosis? Sizokwenza ukuthi yini i-meiosis, senze i-process ye-meiosis in kuma-animal cells. Sifocusa kuma-animal cells, not ama-plant cells. Nje sibhekene nabantu. DNA, meiosis, uzobona as sifunda khona la kuhlangana khona, la kufana khona. And then khona ibinkinga kumenshina nge-meiosis before, I'm not really sure, but ke kulungile. First meiotic division and then the second meiotic division. Sizofunda sibone ukuthi umehluko kuphi. Sifunde nge-significance of i-meiosis, ukubaluleka kwe-meiosis ukuthi ibaluleke ngani, njengoba yenzeka, noma kuwukuthi yenzakalelani, sisizakala kanjani thina, noma-ke ikona kuhle, sorry, okuhle okwenzakalayo, ne, okumphumela ngayo. Then i-abnormal meiosis, njengoba kuthiwa abnormal, kusho ukuthi into engekho normal. So sizobona ukuthi yini-ke ingabi normal ku-meiosis, mhlawumbe ngabe umphumela or kanjani, sizobona ukuthi yini. Then bese sibheka umehluko phakathi-ke kwa-meiosis yokuqala na-meiosis wesibili. Loko-ke sizoqala ukubona la kwi-division yokuqala ne-division yesibili. So yonke lento le ikwi-cell cycle i-cell division, right? Just nje, okay, so by the way, le ncwadi is not the same one that was used kwi-DNA, the code of life, osekwenye le, but it's still nayincwadi ka-government, i-Mind the Gap nakho. It's a very good book. Just the ekuqaleni, ayinayo le chapter ka-DNA, so that's why ngasebenzisa le enye it's for basic education as well. Okay, so just do that. Okay. So enye into esifocus on is just i-terminology nje. This is just an introduction. Okay, so just ngikubuyela emuva kancane. So now you're in grade 12, wenza i-life sciences, ne, grade 12 ka-matric. So ngesikhathi ufunda u-grade 10, this is for noma ngabe ubani-ke uma kuthi akayenzanga life sciences ka-grade 10. So ka-life sciences ka-grade 10 ufundiswa ngento ebizwa ngo-mitosis, ne. Kufanele nje like ikuringe ibhele uma ubuza le gama ethi meiosis, khona le nto wakwayifunda ethi mitosis, and immediately uma ubona lezi structures kanje, then soyazi ukuthi hayi ngiyafana-ke lezi, ziyafana-ke lezi zinto. Okay, so i-mitosis wayifundiswa ka-grade 10, watshela ukuthi it is for i-growth and replace ama-damaged cells nama-damage, yabona yonke leyo into leyo, ukwa-repair nokwa-replace, yabona, nokunika-growth. So wasiwatshela ukuthi yabona njengoba ukhulile umdala umngaka, amathambo akhe esebenza kahle, unama-cells esikhumbeni, wena nje siqu sakho udevelophe ngenxa ka-mitosis. Bekufanele ukuthi kwenzeke i-mitosis yokuqala ukuze ukhule from usahlangana usayi-zygote lapha esibelethweni sama wakho, wamultiplya ngenxa ka-mitosis, ama-cells akho wamningi ngenxa ka-mitosis. U-mitosis-ke wenze njalo-ke, ayaziphindaphinda ama-cells, ayaziphindaphinda ama-cells emzimbeni wethu, sikhule nathi njengoba sibangaka nje, sisebenza kahle nomzimba ufunctiona ngendlela e-right, konke nje ngenxa ka-mitosis. Uma kade ulimele, then usuyabona sekuvalekile isilonda, ama-cells ase-replace-ekile, mhlawumbe lokho bekade kushile, mhlawumbe, yabona, usuvalekile esikhumbeni, noma ngeke kusafana nasekuqaleni, but then kuwukuthi isikhumba esidala, mhlawumbe unesikhumba esixebukayo, yabo, ama-skin cells akho asesikhumbeni kakhulu, seyasuka-ke lokudala, seku-replace-eka ngesikhumba esisha, Mhlawumbe abantu abanjenganani, angazi noma i-eczema or kanjani kanjani, angikho muhle kakhulu ey'ntweni ya ezithinta isikhumba, cause angikaze ngibe nakho. So yeah, uthole sekuqhamuka isikhumba esidala then uthole isisha-ke ama-cells akho sekwamasha akahle, yabona? Yeah. Okay-ke, naku-ke i-meiosis-ke nayo iwuhlobo lwe-cell division. Kuyona sisuke sine-diploid cell. Uyazazi-ke wena ukuthi u-diploid. Uma kuthi ubungazazi-ke usuyazi manje. Njengoba umile nje kanjalo, wakhekile u-diploid ngenxa yokuthini wakhiwe ama-cells awu-two. I-sperm cell wakhiwa ne-egg cell. Kokubili beku-haploid, manje njengoba sekuhlangene wena sekubani seku-diploid. U-diploid means two, ne? Okay. So, i-diploid cell-ke le, ama-somatic cells, it undergoes, just to be clear, yenzeka kuma-testes emntwini wesilisa, yenzeke kuma-ovaries emntwini wesifazane. Yabo, yes, okay. Not kwenye iphathi emzimbeni yakho, not ikhanda, not isikhumbeni, not kuma-muscles, but kulawo ma-parts lawo. And as siqhubeka uzo-understand-a futhi ukuthi kanjani. Okay. So, i-diploid cell-ke le, it undergoes two cell divisions, ne? Ku-meiosis, i-mitotic division yokuqala, then yesibili. It divides to form four dissimilar haploid cells, ama-sex cells. Yabo, okay. Umphumela we-meiosis ukuthi sithole ama-cells awu-four. Ne, ekugcineni kosuku ukuthi sithole ama-cells awu-four. So wena yazi i-mitosis ukuthi ngesikhathi kade yenzeka ubuphuma nama-cells awu-two a-diploid. In this case-ke siyinqamula inamba. Umuntu ophelele nje, umuntu onormal una-40, una-46 kwi-chromosome yakhe u-diploid. Okay, unama-chromosomes umuntu awu-46, ne? Awu-46 emzimbeni. Lo 46 uhlanganiswa u-23 kamawakhe no-23 kabakwakhe, ne? Then abe-diploid. Alright. So, laphaya kuma-ovaries nakuma-testes akho, akufanele ukhiphe ama-cells a-diploid. Yabona? That's the only area engafanele ikhiphe ama-cells or kube nama-cells kanjani a-diploid. Ngobani na? Ngesikhathi lo muntu lo sekufanele ukuthi angithi ngisho ukuthi uhlanganisa uma wakho noma wakho wena. If ukuthi yena wakhe abakhiphayo a-diploid, lokho kusho ukuthi ngesikhathi sekufanele ukuthi lo wesilisa abe nomntwana nalo wesifazane ekubeni bobabili bawu-diploid, okusho ukuthi wena uzoba nama-chromosomes awu-92. Awusekho ke-normal lapho, usu-abnormal. La sazofika khona kwi-abnormal bani meiosis. Usu-abnormal vele-ke wena lapho-ke. So kufanele ukuthi sinqamule kuwe. Njengoba mina ngina-46, kumele kunqanyulwe kumina kuphume u-43. So that noma ngabe ubani engihlangana naye engenza naye ingane, kube ukuthi naye uno-23 nami ngino-23, kuhlangana u-46 womuntu ophilayo onormal. Okay, yeah. So fanele asiwakhipha abu-four ama-cells ekugcineni kosuku, right? I-division yethu yokuqala izokwenza njengomitosis, izosikhiphela u-two. Then kuwona lo-two lo siphinde nakhona sihlukanise ku-two lo, then gcine seku-four, ne? 4, okay. So this is going to be njengomitosis, akuzuba like into entsha kakhulu if uke wayenza, because i-chromosome yazi thina i-chromosome eliphelele lifana la liphelele la. Uma ewu-two ehlangene abizwa nge-homologous pair of ama-chromosomes. U-homologous-ke asuke efana, okay? So enye into-ke okay. So sike sakhuluma nge-DNA replication, right? Sathi i-DNA replication yenzekela ukuthi i-DNA ikhiphe enye ikhophi efanayo, yabo, kanjalo kanjalo kanjalo. So kule phathi-ke usazofunda ukuthi kahle kahle-ke le double helix lo ugcina ewu-double helix nje kuze kuze kushona yini, yebo noma cha, okuwukuthi-ke no. So, ngaphambi kokuba umesis uqale-ke during i-anaphase, cause khona ama-phases awu-5 wena owafunda ngawo kwe-mitosis, u-interphase, u-prophase, u-metaphase, u-anaphase, no-telophase. Ne, wona wonke la malokhuzane wo-5. U-interphase ila kwenzeka khona ini i-DNA replication. Then mese-ke kuzoqala u-prophase, kanjalo 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 uzofika ku-telophase. Okay. So the results is two sets of chromosomes consisting of two identical chromatids joined together ngani nge-centromere. Okay, so you know ukuthi i-chromosome ime kanje. Ne? I-chromosome sazokhuluma ngayo futhi i-chromatid ne-chromatid kuhlanganiswa yini i-centromere kufomele ini i-chromosome. Makuwukuthi ayikho i-centromere, akusiyo i-chromosome leyo, ama-chromatids awu-2 ahlukene. Ne? Ama-chromatids awu-2 anjani ahlukene. Okay. Qhubeka nje further, there is ama-processes division, okuwukuthi I was hoping for a-terminology. Okay, so this book does not have a terminology. Yo, okay. Ayinayo i-terminology. So let me try. Okay. So now this is a part where it mentioned was in grade 10 when ufunding ngani nge-mitosis. Okay. So there might be ama-questions akubuzayo ukuthi yini mitosis, yini meiosis. From ulwazi lwakho, ifana ngani mitosis kune-meiosis, ihluke ngani mitosis ku-meiosis. Okay. So ukwazi-ke lokho. So nayi i-terminology ebengiyifuna, yabo, lamagama lawa akanje angeke ngize ngiwafunde wonke, just that ukuthi ukuchazela ukuthi kubalulekile ukuthi ukwazi lamagama. Ne, kubalulekile ukuthi wazi ukuthi yini i-homologous chromosome, yini u-bivalent, yini i-centromere, yini i-chromatid, yini i-chromosome. Because omunye umuntu like angathi kukhona nje i-chromatid kanje bese yena athi i-chromosome. No, makukhona nje lesi strand lokhu okukodwa ungapha i-chromatid, kuyilokhu phana indawo i-centromere. Makuthi umculishwane lo or ulayini usuka ngala uyibamba yonke lento i-chromosome. Makuthi kusuka ngapha kuza ngapha then sekuyi-homologous chromosomes. Sekuwubani? Sekuwu-homologous chromosomes. Nala, yabona, ku-bivalent. You need to know ngesikhathi usuyobhala kulaphaya kwi-terminology, because mhlawumbe bazoba like 5 marks. If maybe ubhala a-quiz eklasini that is based on i-meiosis kuphela or i-DNA ne-meiosis kuhlangene, you need to know ngesikhathi ubhaliwe la ukuthi a thread-like structure made up of i-DNA and protein found in the nucleus kanje kanje of most living bani cells. Wazi ukuthi yini i-chromosome, ukwazi ukubhala. Sometimes bazokubhalela bese bashiya mhlawumbe bazothi a chromosome is one of the two identical strands, or maybe bathi mhlawumbe homologous pair, ukuthi ngisebenzisa homologous pair. Homologous pair or homologous chromosome, one of the two identical strands, ntontontontontonton. Wena sefanele ureplace lo gama because bazobe bekutshela ukuthi li-wrong. So fanele ukuthi wazi ukuthi lona liphe kuyilona eli-right, yabo. So nanka amanye unreplicated. An unreplicated chromosome has a single double-stranded DNA molecule. Okay, this is DNA replication. It's a replicated chromosome. A replicated chromosome has two identical double-stranded DNA molecule, right? You have abo interphase, you have diploid, you have haploid. So ukuthi amagama lawo kusefana sesiqale ngawo before size singene kwi-content ngoba omunye umuntu mhlawumbe uzoba confused, yabo, especially if ukuthi i-subject akakaze ayenze before, because amanye uzothola ukuthi ngeke avele ey'ncwadini ey'thize njengoba ubonile nakuleya. Mhlambe le gama lika-diploid no-haploid noma-definition azoze azivelele seku-late or avele kwi-exam or kwi-test, and then umuntu like use-confused ukuthi hayibo, yabo kwenzakalani. So into ebengifuna ukuyiveza-ke leyo. Besiphuma kwi-DNA replication sikhulumile ngejini, yabo, sikhulumile ngejini, ngibonile ijini ukuthi ijini ikuma-parts athize kwi-chromosome. Ngike ngakusho lokho ukuthi sisazofunda nge-chromosome usazobona, okay? So le ndawo le izoba kanje ibizwa ngokuthiwa i-locus. Locus means the location of a gene. I-gene is a segment of i-DNA. Iloko nje okuncanyana kwe-DNA, ayi yonke into, but then kukuncanyana because kukhoda for, ngizothini, kuphethe i-code, ne, for i-particular characteristic. Angibamba, hhayi ukuthi like selizothatha yonke i-DNA yakho manje no, it only has leyo code for i-characteristic. Ukhumbule ukuthi ama-genes ilawa ayekavele mhlambe like kuthiwa uresemble usibanibani wakini, yabo. So only leyo into nje encane, mangabe skin color, not the whole body, yabo. So yeah, not umzimba wonke, not wonke ama-characteristics, but nje izokhoda for lokho sesiyazi. Maku-dark skin lo, then u-dark skin. Makuwukuthi lokhu kasibanibani yonke le chromosome le ikama wakho, ezaphi ezakuwena. So inazo zonke lezi zinto ey'hlukahlukene, ibona kanjalo nakho kuyasho amehlo nje, ukuthi okunje, ukuthi okukanje, ukuthi okukanje. Then if bekuthiwa kube possible like sikwazi ukuyifunda le nto ukuthi oh, then bese ubona ngazalwa ukuthi hayi nangu sibanibani, nayi i-characteristic naku kanje, yabona, uzoba mfishane, hawu, naku mhlawumbe nje yonke leyo into leyo, mhlawumbe i-blood type yonke nje kuningi hlukahlukene. Then you have i-centrosome. I-centrosome sizoyibona kuma-chromosomes during I think ku-metaphase, yeah, probably metaphase sizoyibona. Again, umuntu owenze nansi mitosis uyazi. And we have a new word to matriculants leli ka-crossing over. Sizofunda ukuthi nje cross over, nakuthiwa crossing overs, uyazi makuthiwa cross nje kuyagejana or okunye kusuka ngapha kuya ngapha emgaqweni nje, uyazi imigaqo, omunye usuka ngapha ujampoza ngapha, omunye usuka ngapha ujampoza ngapha, that's a cross, yabona, kusuka ngala ukweqe lo kusuke ngapha kujombela, crossing over, yayibamba, right. Lokho seku-cross night nange-New Year's Eve ni-cross unyaka, yebo, suka ngapha uza ngapha, so sizobona-ke at a point, ne, ikhaya ezimanakho during crossing over. So naloko sisazofunda, this is just for introduction. Then sisazobuka i-karyotype, abanye they do know what a karyotype is. Sizazobona ama-gonosomes, which are ama-sex chromosomes, la determinisha ukuthi uyintombazane noma umfana yini, ubulili, ne. And then you have ama-somatic cells, ama-somatic cells, ama-body cells, ne. Yeah, ama-body cells. I remember there was this particular ncwadi engale mention something ngo-somatic cells, and then I explained ukuthi i-meiosis it occurs it was somatic, angisho. Yeah, ungabi confused. Ama-somatic cells, ama-body cells, ne? And then you have ama-sex cells, lawa akuma-testes, shona. nakuma-ovaries. Labo bafocus-a kwini? Ekhipheni ama-gametes, ne? Ama-gametes lawa a-produce-ile abantu laba ababili the time bezokwenza ini? Ingane. Ingane ifoma ama-gametes, or i-offspring ifoma ama-gametes. Okay, yabo, any cells kwi-organism ingafaki ama-gametes, right? Laba aba-diploid emzimbeni wakhe laba abawu-2, 2N, bana-two sets of amanye ama-chromosomes akababa nawakamama. Okay, and are produced through mitosis. Then you have your sex cells, ama-gametes. Laba bani ba-sperm cell no-egg cell. Bona banjani ba-haploid? Asibafuni be-diploid, asibafuni beyenye inamba, sibafuna babu-23. Sifuna kube na-23 chromosome wama wakho, excuse me, 23 chromosome ngaba kwakho, then kuhlangane wena, ne? Okay. Then you have non-disjunction. Sisazofunda-ke non-disjunction usazobona kakhulu masikhuluma ngama-abnormalities or nge-abnormal meiosis. Then this is i-process-ke karyokinesis ne-cytokinesis. Ukaryo lo ukhumbule kunalento laphaya ngenhla ekuthiwa karyotype. Okay, karyo means nucleus, and then kinesis means i-synthesis. Synthesis ukwakheka, mase kuthi la division ukuhlukana. So nakuma-cells, ama-cells akheka ngokuthi kuhlukane iseli elilodwa, mhlawumbe lihlukane kabili. Kwakheka, yabo, division is ukwakha enye cell. Fanele ukuthi iseli elilodwa li-divide ukuze liproduce out-2. So i-karyokinesis-ke means nucleus, and kinesis means division or synthesis. Karyokinesis is the process of a division of the nucleus of any of a cell. So, okay. Okay, nayi. Kule phathi le sizobe sisibona ekugcineni. Yeah, sizohlangana ne-karyokinesis ekugcineni. Alright, so ngenhla you have igama leliya lika-karyotype. I-karyotype, nayi. Okay, so i-karyotype i-presentation of the number and shapes and arrangement of a full set of chromosomes in a nucleus of a somatic cell. Okay, bambake. So eukaryo means nucleus, right? Karyo means nucleus, and then the type is just there nje ukuthi sizo-represent. Okay, right. So masikhuluma ngokaryo sikhuluma ngani? Nge-nucleus. Ukhumbula-ke from grade 11 ufunde ngento ebizwa ama-prokaryotes nama-eukaryotes, eukarya, yabona, prokarya, kanjalo kanjalo kanjalo. It means something nucleus, something ne-nucleus. Makunokaryo nje, something ne-nucleus. Okay, la si-represent ama-chromosomes kwi-nucleus, yabona, akwi-nucleus emzimbeni womuntu. And then la i-process la kune-division of i-nucleus of a cell. Angithi i-cell lilodwa line-nucleus eyodwa, fanele nayo ihlukane phela makuthi sakha ama-cells awu-2, sifuna ukukhipha ama-cells awu-2. So fanele ukuthi ihlukane, okunye kuye ngapha, okunye kuye ngapha. So naloko sisazobona ukuthi kanjani. Okay, you have your cytosynthesis. Usalikhumbula igama la cytoplasm. Leya watery or jelly-like fluid, kuya ngokuthi ibiza kanjani, i-contain ama-organelles. So nakhona it's almost the same thing laphaya, usazobona-ke. Nayo siyahlukana, nayo siyayakha. Phela likho iseli elingenayo i-cytoplasm. So sihlukanisa le seli esivele sinayo ukukhipha ama-cells awu-2. But kuzochazeka kalula mase usubona. I think akhona kule ncwadi ama-structures ame kanje. Okay, I think akhona. Kuma-exams you won't be required ukuthi uyidwebe le nto. Maybe uthisha angafuna ukuthi uyidwebe mhlawumbe ka-grade 10 uku-check i-understanding yakho. But ayikho umuntu ozothi ibhale idwebe le nto le, yabo. You might have to ukuthi uyileyibhele, not sure, but not ukuthi uyidwebe. No, no, no. But you must know ukuthi yini le, mase sisila, sisenzeni, yabo, kanjalo, kanjalo, kanjalo. Masithi ikhari sisahlukanisa i-nucleus, then masisithi i-cyto sihlukanisa i-cytoplasm. Okay, all right. Yeah, so that's basically it. Introduction. And then okay. So this importance of meiosis besesikhulumile ukuthi sifuna ukuproduce ama-gametes anjani hybrid, senze sure ukuthi ama-gametes hybrid ayenzeka. Ngaleyo ndlela leyo kuzoba ne-genetic variation, kuzoba nomehluko ozoba khona, like ngeke nifane exact njengoba ungafani exactly nabazali bakho. Okuwukuthi-ke lokho kwe-genetic variation sisazokubona kakhulu as sisenza the process of i-mitotic division, of which I think iliyokuqala. I think iliyokuqala, but then sizobona during i-prophase kahle kahle ukuthi what's happening, yabo. Yeah, uyikhumbule naku-DNA, and futhi as uhamba kuningi okunye usazokubona, ne, kunje.